What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna do a simple detailed wash on my car today because I'm sending the car for tints tomorrow, and I don't really want the car to be in a very dirty state when they do the tints, because I might risk dust and dirt in the tints when they measure the glass. So I'm gonna do a detailed wash on the car, and I will clean the wheels of course, and then I will prep everything for tomorrow's tinting job. Yo guys, so I'm done with that simple wash. I basically did the wheel cleaning, iron brake dust removal that will cause the wheels to turn purple, and then I cleaned the wheelbarrows, I cleaned the wheel arch, and and that's about it. The paint is still a little bit rough, so I'll need to do some detailing on the paint, so that would be for another episode. So hope you guys enjoyed the short and simple time-lapse video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, and press on the bell button for post notifications, and comment on the comment section below if you got any questions, and I will see you guys in the next episode.